Hey y'all. So now, obviously, this is part two, and where we left off was that what does this sentence tell us about the relationship between Japanese Americans and some non-Japanese Americans during World War II? And basically, we looked at the sentence and it told us that they were not seen as equals or treated with respect by those outside of their community. So reread that sentence and think about what is the meaning of the sentence. Keep in mind you did this already at the very beginning. So look at your answer from the beginning and think about what you learned as we broke apart the sentence and put it back together. And jot down what the meaning of the sentence is for you now. So if you need more time, pause the video, but we're going to keep going. The very last part is, well, how does the language dive add to your understanding of the big idea, sorry, that internment camps uprooted people from their homes and communities, stripped them of their rights, confiscated their personal property, and forced them to live and work in these concentration camps. So that's the idea. And how does this sentence and us really breaking it apart helps you to understand this big idea? Take about 15 seconds to really think about what your answer might be. Okay, so your answer does not have to be the exact same as mine, but you should have some idea that talks about this sentence provides us with information or gives us information about the early stages of this process when Japanese Americans were forced to relocate from their homes. So there's other examples of these tense relationships between Japanese Americans and those outside the community during World War II presented in the first two chapters. As we continue to read, look for those similes and those phrases and the way that the authors relate those tensions between those cultures during this time. Once you have completely finished, go ahead and turn it in and have a wonderful rest of your day, guys.